Spreadshop. So today I'm super excited to talk about one of our newly launched shop owners, Revitalize or Die. Revitalize or Die's mission is to help small towns defeat apathy and to help inspire communities. They're the perfect example that you don't have to have a huge following to sell merch. It's literally for any passion. Revitalize or Die has done an amazing job of launching their shop with some really awesome designs. And guess what? They're not designers. They spent $0 and all it took was a little bit of their time to set up their shop. So how did they do it? We recently invited Jeff and Amber out to our facility in Greensburg, PA. We helped them out by talking with them about their needs for merch and what might work best for them. Jeff and Amber wanted high-quality apparel printed in the USA. They also wanted a little bit of help and guidance with shop features, like the website embed feature, landing pages, and categories. They already had such a great website and blog that they host through Squarespace. We suggested that they use the easy embed feature for their shop with a simple line of code that you can paste in just like this. So how did they make all of those cool designs when they're not designers? Jeff and Amber used Canva.com to lay out all their text and simple graphic ideas. They spent a little bit of time organizing their products and kept coming up with new and great ideas as they went. To promote the launch of their shop, they did the following key things that we suggest to every shop owner. They wear their own merch. Jeff and Amber wore their merch in a video for their followers. Their video they made described their shop and their mission statement. They recently put up a great post about how merch can spread their mission and empower people in their communities. So what about you? Do you have a passion you can make into merch? You can sign up for free like Jeff and Amber did at Spreadshop.com. As always, if you have questions, just reach out to me and let me know. I'd love to help you get started.